Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's current law says that at any node, the algebraic sum of all the currents is equal to 0, whether it is current entering the node or leaving the node. Now algebraic sum means we have to assume the direction. Either we say all the outgoing currents are positive or all the incoming currents are positive. That is up to us. So for uniformity, we will assume that all the outgoing currents will be denoted with positive sign. And KCL is not restricted to one node. It is applicable to a surface also. Surface means the combination of multiple nodes. So now if you see in this surface 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 branches are intersecting. Algebraic sum of all these 5 will also be 0. Now talking about Kirchhoff's voltage law, we say that the algebraic sum of all the voltages in a closed loop is 0. So algebraic sum of all the voltages in a closed path or loop is 0. Now we will take the same sign convention. Here we have 5 elements. We will assume that this is my mesh current. Okay, this is the direction of the current. If we will move in the direction of current, how many elements we will encounter and we will write their voltages. Here we are entering from positive, so we will write plus V2. Here we are entering from positive terminal, so we will write plus V3. Here we are entering from minus terminal, so this will be minus V4. Here we will be entering from plus side, so this is plus V5. And here we are entering from minus side, so this will be minus V1. So V1 and V4, they will be with a minus sign. V2, V3 and V5 will be with a plus sign. So you can see V1 and V4, they are written with a minus sign and all others are with the plus sign. This is how we can write the mesh equation or loop equation with the help of Kirchhoff's voltage law. And Kirchhoff's voltage law is applicable for a larger loop also. So for example, if you see this is one mesh, this is one mesh. But if you want to write the KVL for this whole loop, you can do that also. So both of these things are possible. Now let us talk about how to write equations using KCL or using KVL. Let us take this example. If I take KCL, so this node, there will be one current going here, one current going here and one current going here. So we will be writing that this current plus this current plus this current equal to 0. And if we have to write with KVL, then we will say this is my mesh number 1, this is my mesh number 2. I'll get one equation for loop 1, one equation for loop 2. When we will discuss nodal analysis and mesh analysis, we will discuss them in detail. Keep learning. Thank you.